Brad Lawler, owner of Home Team Inspection Service. We received an email from Jeanette who sent us this question after touring a 12-year-old home. So Jeanette says she is asking whether a sewer inspection makes sense for a home that's not especially that old. She's wondering, is it overkill? Sewer inspection. Brad, how would you address that?
So it goes back to the discussion we had earlier about new construction. We do a lot of sewer line inspections. That's running a camera down through the house out to the main drain just to see if everything works okay. The challenge with new construction is oftentimes we find that those lines are damaged. It's just through the course of construction, heavy vehicles run over them, it dislodges them, and then you don't know unless you're running a camera. If I was buying a 12-year-old house and it hadn't been inspected before, I would go ahead and pay for the sewer line inspection. Certainly, if you've got a heavily treed lot, if you've got a lot of shrubs, bushes, it's relatively inexpensive. You're probably going to be, certainly under $500, maybe under $400 to do one of those, and it just eliminates potential, problems. Plus, what's currently sitting in the lines, whether or not there's any bellies, other things that are going to get worse as the house, continues to age.
So 12 years old, not necessarily needing. But if there are big trees that have grown, maybe that's when you decide.
Okay. Or if, a lot of these tract builders where there's not a lot of trees, but we find a lot of problems just because there were bellies and other things that developed in the waistlines that, again, over a matter of time, you start backing things up into the house, but it takes years to get there. So again, I think it may be counterintuitive to do one, but again, I think it's probably cheap medicine.
And might I just add too, I think septic as well, even if the home is only a couple years old, you never know what people are flushing or what their kids may be flushing down the toilet. So even if it's, hey, the tank is full and we need to get that emptied prior to closing and taking possession, that's still worthwhile knowledge before you buy it and it's your problem.